So over here you can see that I have an image, and then if you want to work around with the image in detail, then you might want to zoom in. And the zoom option is over here on the bottom, so you can use the slider as you can see to zoom in and out of the photo as you can see right here. You also have the zoom option on the top as you can see, just like this. So that is what you have. You can go around over here and choose the magnifying glass like minus glass to zoom out, click to zoom out, and you can go around, click on the plus button to zoom in. So this happens when you actually go around and select out the magnifying glass option right here as you can see. So this is what you can do. You can zoom in and then you can zoom out as you can see. You can go around and use the scroll mouse button to scroll around right here as you can see. You can scroll down, scroll up by using your scroll mouse button right here to actually go around and see different parts of the image. Or what you can also do is you can use the hand tool right here just like this, and then you can click and drag around to see different parts of an image right here as you're working around as well. And that is how you can work around with the zoom option right here and navigate around as you can see on the photos when you're making edits inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.